Hey guys, it's me Christian. I have a new video today, right now, or whatever. Basically, I'm just showing off a bunch of dolls I've gotten very recently. So yeah. All right. So the first girl I have is this lovely little what's it call it? Not Angel Gardens. This is Lillian. She's from the Angel Garden Jenny, but this is a castle doll, and I put her in this little outfit right here. She came in this little what right here, this like white little like bathing suit thingy, but I put her in this little outfit right now. I think she is so gorgeous. I love her little bob. I don't know, I think she's so cool. Alright, the next girl I got was this lovely like bootleg like doll. She's not Mimi, even though she has the pretty, well, I don't know, because I thought she was Mimi at first, but then like she has like the Jenny face, which is like, what? It's so crazy, you know what I'm saying? But basically I posted her on Twitter, then I think Lika-chan, I forgot their username, I'm sorry, but you know, they were like, so basically they helped me find out who she was, and she's like some bootleg girl, but she is so gorgeous. She was only like $9 with some shipping, which is crazy, and she's really gorgeous. And look at this hair, it's really nice, although she is a bit bald. I don't know if you can really tell, but she's quite bald, but you know, I do think she's a really gorgeous doll. The next dolls are my Creep Bros. I got Gulia and I got Abby. I wanted to get all of them, but I was just like, maybe not, I don't know. Now I'm kind of regretting it because, well, I don't know, it's kind of a lot of money now. Yeah, but anyways, I wanted Abby because I remember my friend in elementary school, she had Abby, and I really wanted her. And I wanted Gulia, of course, because, you know, who doesn't want a Gulia, you know what I'm saying? I remember back in Anime Expo 2022, some guy was selling his Gulia, first wave Gulia, for $180, and I was just like, that's crazy, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so the next ones I got were this Bootleg Jade. Ah, she is so gorgeous. I put her on a little party 2010 body because I don't know, I think it's cool, but like it's weird because like her thing says Hua Xing, I think that's it. It's like really interesting. It doesn't say like MGA or anything, it's just Hua Xing. I don't know, she's so gorgeous. Like, I'll put some pictures of her right here. I don't know, I think she is just so gorgeous, like, whoa, like way prettier than like the actual release doll, you know? But yeah, I love her so much. And here's my last girl. So we got School, Angel Gardens Jenny, which is really cool. She's so pretty. And look at the back of the box. So we got Jenny right here. Then we got my fave, Valerie, Lillian, Jenny. I forget her name, but I need to get her so I can have all the Angel Gardens, or one of each of the Angel Gardens, I don't know. So yeah, I'm gonna do a really quick unboxing on this lovely lady. Oh my goodness, alright, so here is Jenny. So she comes with this really cool scooter. Are these shoes? I believe these are shoes, I'll see later. She comes with whatever this is. She comes with her socks, a really pretty skirt, this little outfit. It's really cool. Her face looks, yeah, it's sticky, ew. I have to wash that. A little computer, a lanyard, and a brush with a bag. So really cool. It came with my favorite things ever. I wish more doll companies would do this now, like show off like their other stuff. Like this is the calendar girls. Really cool. I know I have some of these. I have this one, the middle, the tan one. I think I have that Valerie right there. And I have that Valerie, the blonde one. This guy is really cool. I want to get him. Okay, this is really cool. And just look how stunning she looks. Even though I hate this body, it's so ugly. I hate the weird little bendy bodies. It doesn't ever really look this good like how they advertise it. Alright, so here's Jenny. She looks kind of greasy, to be honest, but she'll be getting her makeover, and I'll be fixing her hair because it's a mess, to be honest. Yeah, she comes with this. You can also unbutton it. It's really cute. You can unbutton it and it shows like another little shirt and a real fabric tie. A real fabric tie, you know. Some doll companies, you know, can't do that. But anyways, so but one thing I don't like is that her shoes, the socks are really bulky, so it makes it really hard to put on her shoes, but it's whatever. Here's her really cool bag. She comes with this kind of ugly brush, but it's whatever. And she comes with this little laptop, which I don't get why it's reflection, but it's pretty cool, I guess. I wish it was an actual like design on it. and her scooter. So essentially you can like clip her foot in, yeah, which is actually really cool. I like that detail. Then she could go like wee, wee, ah! Oh no, she fell. Oh, then she's like, I fell, oh my gosh. Then she's like, oh my, wait, no, she's like, Golia, shut up, oh my god. So here are the gorgeous ladies I've gotten. So we have Golia, of course, Miss Jenny, Mimi, Bootleg, essentially. Pretty gorgeous though. Lillian, Hua Xing, I'm just call her that. Was that her name? Wait, let me go back. Hua Xing, that's just gonna be her name for now, Hua Xing. And Abby Abominable. And this is just very random. Let me use Hua Xing to speak. But isn't it really so interesting? Like pretty much almost every doll is Chinese when you think about it. Well, I know a lot of them are made in Thailand, other countries, but like most dolls are produced in China. So does it mean like these are like, oh my god, so that means they're all Chinese? I don't know. I just thought it was interesting. It's like we could really say like Golia is Chinese because like she's just made there. I don't know, it's just random. But you know, we could all think whatever. But anyway, so that's really the it for my video. So thank you. Hua Xing says goodbye.